because we have some of the best work from home products that have the ability to save your space, reduce chaos, and offer you the best work from home experience. These work from home products can help you create an organized setup so that all the essentials are easily accessible and makes your whole work from home environment peaceful. Here are two variations of foldable desks that are wall mounted at one edge. The first variation is a normal one with a standing desk option, and the second variation comes with an added advantage of adjusting to a desired height, and it comes with a glossy finish board where you can use this as a marker and it is easy to clean. Here is the Creator TV and study unit. This unit serves two purposes. It can be used as a TV unit as well as a work desk. So if you're in a place where wall and floor area is limited, then this would be a perfect fit for you to relax or work in the same space. Here is monitor raisers. These monitor raisers are used to adjust the monitor to your eye level to prevent slouching and improve your overall posture. We also have the phone stand, iPad stand, headphone stand, and the footrest. That are some of the cool add-ons you can buy at an affordable price.